Alright, so this is the Tensile Tester lifter, and basically there's a few things you want to do when you get it in front of the class. The first thing you want to check is to make sure the brakes are on, and that's done by just pushing on both of these. Of course, make sure it's plugged in, and then the first thing you're going to do, you're going to select your direction. You'll see right here is our console. We have up and down, button 1, button 2, and an emergency button. If anything were to ever go wrong, all you have to do is hit this and it'll immediately cut the power. So for the purposes of this test, we're going to go ahead and go up. And you'll notice that basically the switch is engaged right now. There's a switch right here that at its lowest angle will be engaged. Now in order to overcome that in the circuit, you have to press the button 2 as well as button 1. Button 1 will run it and button 2 bypasses the switch. You only have to hold it for a few seconds until the switch becomes disengaged, and you can then let go. So we'll go ahead and start lifting. Press button 2 and button 1. Hold button 2 for a few seconds, let go of button 2. It's very important that nobody be around the scissor lift. If anything were to break, we don't want any appendages inside of it. It could cause a lot of damage. So you'll lift it up to the desired height, which we'll say is right here. There is a backup feature. If you go too far, there's an additional switch that will engage right down here. But we imagine that you'll probably want to lift it just to this height. From here, you can do all your tests and everything you need to do. When you're ready to go down, assuming that the switch is not engaged, all you have to do is switch to down and press the power button again. Remember, if the switch is engaged, you'll have to hold the red button for a few seconds. So you'll just hold it down until we get back down to flat. And you shouldn't have to do anything. The switch should engage, and it'll automatically stop for you. There's no need to let go of the button. And there you have it. That's how you operate the Tensile Tester lifter.